This is a quick review of this 20-piece tire kit. This is a repair kit if you get a nail or screw. This is made by Grad Cap, and at the time of this recording, they have 123 ratings at 4.4 stars. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to give it 5 stars. I installed this little guy, and all it is, it literally is this little rubber and metal screw that you pull out the whatever caused the issue, and then you fill the hole with this guy. The kit comes with 10 plugs, 10 small plugs, 10 large plugs, and it even comes with a little screwdriver, so it's complete. The only thing you might need is a dike or some way of actually extracting the nail or whatever you have. And then all you gotta do is go into here. Kind of strange, they come in these little capsules. I don't know why they didn't just put them in loose, but whatever. And you've got this little screw that you literally just screw back into the car. Super simple. I didn't even have to take my tire off. I didn't have to jack the car up. I didn't have to deal with tire plugs, which I've done in the past and not a big fan of. Really like this idea. Now, a couple of warnings, if you will, that they have is that the hole must be between 1 and 5 millimeters. If it's over 5 millimeters, they do not want you to use the kit. And if the angle of the object as a nail exceeds 45 degrees going into the tire, they're saying don't use it. And of course, if the tire is in bad shape, doesn't have any tread, they don't want you to use it. But what a simple and convenient, I mean, literally, just screw it in. Piece of cake. Love it. Giving it 5 stars myself.